here, let's draw the adorable baby Sonic while he's running. Look at him go! Grab your pencil, and let's start sketching. Remember to check out our coloring books on Amazon for additional creative enjoyment. By searching for Pinky Art, you can locate it. Together, let's enjoy some fun drawing. Baby Sonic first appeared in the Sonic the Hedgehog movie as a cute, tiny version of Sonic. He has big, shiny eyes that make him extra adorable. Even as a baby, he is super fast. How fast do you think Baby Sonic can run? Wow, that's super fast! His quills are fluffier than regular Sonic's. He loves to explore and run around Green Hill Zone. Baby Sonic's favorite snack is chili dogs. Just like grown-up Sonic. He has tiny red shoes with a white stripe, just like the classic Sonic. He's always full of energy and ready for adventure. Are you having fun drawing today? Yay! I love drawing with you. Fantastic! Our baby Sonic sketch looks amazing. Now it's time to add some color. What colors will you use? That sounds perfect. Pick up your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. What color is Baby Sonic's fur? That's right. He's blue. What do you think Baby Sonic loves to eat? Yes, chili dogs. What do you think Baby Sonic is running toward? Great guess! Maybe an adventure. think baby Sonic ever gets tired? Maybe a little, but he's always ready to run again. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Can you pretend to run like baby Sonic? Wow! You're super speedy. Even as a baby, he dreams of being a hero. He loves making new friends and having fun. Sonic's shoes? That's right. Red with a white stripe. Would you like to be friends with baby Sonic? He would love that. So nice! We did an incredible job drawing baby Sonic today. Keep practicing, keep creating, and if you love coloring, check out my Pinky Art coloring books on Amazon. I'm so grateful that you drew with me today. See you next time for more drawing fun.